Welcome to Bunky's Woodworking.
About 2 years ago, we ended up making a video on how we built an outfeed table using wood, a belt, and some paint rollers. Now, as of right now, our channel is fairly small, and yet we still get fans that want to send us stuff every once in a while. A good example of this is when we got the dust collector to work from a friend of ours. We also had a fan give us a lay dovetail jig. We ended up using it in order to make our laptop desk, which is probably one of my most used projects in the house. We had somebody reach out to us stating they had extra rollers, ones that can come in handy for our outfeed table, and wondering if we would like to have them. We ended up meeting him in a park, and this was really the first time that I had been noticed publicly. I had gotten there early, and I was walking my dog, and I ended up running into him outside of the restroom of the park. He ended up recognizing me right away, which kind of threw me off. Asked me if I was a bunkie, and I said yes. We ended up heading over to his vehicle, and he ended up handing me the 2 ball bracket sets. This one will go on our roller stand for now. I plan to use the second one and maybe even this one when building a miter station. I now have to make some adjustments in order to get this to fit onto the roller stand and make it so it's a little bit more level with my other equipment. So I start to take it apart. And I do my best with the bandsaw in order to cut it straight so I can add this new roller attachment. I cut a piece of 1x3 so I can use it to attach the roller to the rest of the housing. I attach the roller on top of the 2x3. I end up taking it off later to attach it to the telescopic frame that we made in a previous video. I put a couple screws attaching the 2x3 to the top of the telescopic frame. Now I just place the roller bearings on top of the frame and attach it with screws. And that's the finished project. This telescopic frame is one of my favorite projects. I look forward to using this mechanism in the future for other projects. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel.